What is asynchronous learning? Synchronous learning. A traditional classroom is an example of synchronous learning, where all students learn the same things at the same time and in the same place. Asynchronous learning. Asynchronous learning is the opposite of synchronous learning, a student-centered teaching method that uses online resources to facilitate learning without requiring students and instructors be in the same place at the same time. Asynchronous communication tools: email, discussion boards, forums, discussion guidelines, blogs, weblogs, wikis, podcasting, e-portfolios, threaded conferencing systems. Asynchronous communication tools: course management systems such as Campus Cruiser LMS, Desire to Learn, Blackboard, WebCT, Moodle, and Sakai have been developed to support online interaction, allowing users to organize discussions, post and reply to messages, and upload and access multimedia. Asynchronous learning advantages: learners can study at any time and any pace according to their own needs. Students have the ability to go back to pieces they need to brush upon. There is the opportunity to review outside resources to aid instruction. Asynchronous learning disadvantages: limited access to an instructor and/or getting answers in real time. Some students may struggle without constant guidance and interaction. Not all instruction is best suited for self-paced learning. Asynchronous learning roles of instructors. Online learning requires a shift from a teacher-centered environment to a student-centered environment, where the instructor must take on multiple new roles. The constructivist theory that supports asynchronous learning demands that instructors become more than dispensers of knowledge. It requires that they become instructional designers, facilitators, and assessors of both grades and their teaching methods. Asynchronous learning roles of learners. The student-centered nature of asynchronous online learning requires students to be actively involved with and take more responsibility for their own learning. Students are required to become proficient with the technology required for the course, use new methods of communication with both peers and instructors, strengthen their interdependency through collaboration with their peers. Can you memorize what is asynchronous learning? Asynchronous learning is the opposite of synchronous learning, a student-centered teaching method that uses online resources to facilitate learning without requiring students and instructors be in the same place at the same time. For inspiration, the aim of education is the knowledge not of facts but of values. William S. Burroughs.